Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Reviewability. Today this is Sam. I hope you guys are all well, and I'm going to show you a video about Sony 2022 headphones. They are the industry leading noise cancellation headphones. Before I share my video and before I share my experience with you, please do subscribe to my channel and do comment. I would appreciate. So let's begin. Alright, so as you can see, they are Sony WH-1000XM4. They're excellent when you're using it. I'm super excited to unbox them with you. I actually use them and then I box them to show you. So let's begin. Let's see what we have inside. So there was a plastic on the top of it. I removed the plastic, and then it doesn't open anywhere from the top. It's a sliding box. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, so the headphones are actually not outside; they're available. Everything is inside the carrying case except for the literature, right? So this is the literature, and there's a warranty card and whatnot, as usual. We'll put it on the side, and we'll put the box on the side. Okay, so I'm so amazed with the flexibility of the headphones that have been, put inside the case. So you pick them up. Okay, so this is how they are kept. You twist them, open one arm, and there you go. They're ready to roll. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to show you how to put them in. So you just bend one of the ear, just twist this, and you put it like this. There you go. Okay, so the one that's twisting is the left ear. Okay, just to let you know. Then it's accompanied with a wire and a plug. So basically this is for the use in flight or long travels. So you know how you have a plug on the side of your on the seat in the flight, in the airplane. So you use that to plug that in to charge, and then this is a regular USB charging cable that's for daily use. So how you do it is you put this in, and then the other end goes into the headphones. Okay, in case you need a wire use, in case you have run out of charge, so this is a good option to keep handy. So whenever you're carrying a headphone, make sure you have the case. They're always safe. It's a hard case. All right, so I'm going to talk about some of the very amazing features that this headphone has. The first and foremost, which is the reason for its being highly recommended, is the noise cancellation. So it's whether you're in a long flight or you're in a cafeteria, it will cancel the noise outside and give you a high frequency sounds that are ideal for listening. The second one, as usual, every headphone has, is the Bluetooth or hands-free feature. You can make and take calls, talk on the phone, however you like. And then the other amazing feature that I've discovered is Speak to Chat. It's called Speak to Chat. So what happens is, so let's say you're listening to music, you happen to suddenly have to speak to somebody. The music automatically stops. Yes, it automatically stops, and then you can talk. Once you have finished talking, it automatically turns back on. So how it works, a little bit of science behind it. It uses 5 microphones and advanced audio signal. that processes the sound, and then it quickly reacts to your voice and then turns the music down or whatever you are listening to. The colors that it's available is blue, black, and white. I haven't seen blue yet, but I've seen white and black. And another smart behavior, or you can say a feature of this headphone, is the if you want to hear the surrounding sounds, just place your hand over the housing. Okay, so what is the housing? Here, this is the housing. Now, which housing? The right side. The right. I hope you can see. Let me show you. The right side. Okay, so this is the main, this is basically, you can say, a CPU of the headphone. So as soon as you hear you want to hear an outside sound, you just place your hand over the housing. It will lower the volume for you. This housing is also meant for, you know, increasing the volume, lowering the volume, forward, rewind. So how it works is just swipe your hand up, down, forward, backward. So this is how it's going to work. It's very amazing, like very smooth, very amazing. Like it just place your hand here and it all works. It's a magic thing. So if you're on a long journey, you don't have to worry about, you know, adapter and charging port and whatnot. It lasts for 30 hours. However, if you're in a rush, you can just charge it for a quick 10 minutes and it will last you for 5 hours. So that's also another very quick, amazing feature for your routine use. Like I mentioned, the control is on your fingertips. So yeah, up, down, right, left. It will give you a, you know, the volume up and down. And then they're super comfortable. Okay, the paddings are super comfortable for long hours of wear. So you don't have to worry about, you know, hurting your ear or you know, too tight on your ear. So very, very comfortable. Okay, another cool feature for the headphones is a built-in Alexa or you know, voice command. As soon as you say "Okay Google" or Alexa, it's going to activate. It's going to recognize your voice, activates your voice assist, and then connect. You can connect with friends. You can set reminders. You can play your preferred music. That's how it is. And then the battery life, I must say, is amazing. It lasts 30 hours. Now, I mentioned to you about all the about most of the features. There's a lot of features in here, but the most commonly used features I mentioned to you, but I saved the best one for the last, and it's called the adaptive sound control. Yes, adaptive sound control. What this means is the sound system is adaptive of your behavior. So it's a smart feature that learns to recognize your favorite places. For example, let's say you're in a cafeteria. It will tailor the sound for you for your ideal listening experience. It adapts to your behavior. For example, let's say again you're walking or you know, waiting at a train station for somebody. It will adjust itself to allow ambient sound that is according to the situation. So it's super cool feature that actually convinced me to buy these headphones. So I'm sure this video will be helpful. There's a lot of science behind it. I didn't go into the science feature. Before I wrap up, I just wanted to quickly show you, you know, inside the case, there's a very little bit of, there's a little brief explanation of how this works. So whenever you're putting the headphone inside, just remember the left ear is the one that completely goes in, and the right one is this. So the housing is on the right. So anything you want to control the CPU is on the right ear. So I hope this video was helpful, and any questions or comments, please do post them. I would be happy to answer. If I don't know the answer, I'll get back to you. But yeah, so please do let me know, and I hope that if you happen to use them, you will enjoy them as much as I do. And I'll be back with another video. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. And until next time, ciao. Take care. Goodbye.